Okay, so second one, what to do if the child is good in oral communication, but is not so good in writing. Okay,
Oh,
so
that's a very, very nice question.
in writing, yeah.
Yeah, so we have a lot of these children who they talk a lot, but when it comes to reading, writing, they're not really very happy about it. It's okay because children's brain grow in a very different rate, and some kids they are slower in able to perceive information by reading or writing. And how we can overcome it is that we do more of the oral um, listening, speaking sessions at home. So I like storytelling. Storytelling is actually is something that is a culture. Many culture actually have this habit of being around in the maybe in the bonfire or in the dining table, talk about what really happens in and and by actually storytelling we can encourage the child to want to study, because like for instance when we want to get the child to understand a certain book, then maybe the parent read the book and story tell the book to the child. Or other thing is that to read the book but not with a um, amazing like we were talking about Thomas Alva Edison, and then we read it like no, it's not. We need to bring the book to life. And how to do that is to practice. If you never do that, then you will never know how to do it. I know that it might put more things on your plate, but I think that it also gives you the opportunity to spend more time with your child.
So, I mean, you mentioned about, story reading. How often would the parent need to do so? Would it need to be a regular ritual or like, once a
Yeah, make it a family ritual, make it a family habit to read together, to make the child feel that reading is actually a part of a family culture.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.